In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to change your name on SuccessFactors account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in sap.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official webpage of SuccessFactors or SAP. Go and click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. Also make sure that you're logged into your SAP account, and once you are, click on your profile icon at the top right. From the expanded menu, click on Manage My Account, and from the Accounts tab, select Personal Info. Click on the pencil icon right next to Personal Data and then enter your first name you'd want to change to, and then type in your last name as well if you want to change that as well. Go ahead and change your last name too if you want, and finally click on the Save button, and that is how you'll be able to change your name for your SuccessFactors account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.